Are you writing? Are you going to write a word for Mama? Let Mama see. Hey, come here. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Come here and say hi. Come say hi to Rita. Can you say Rita?
Rita.
Hi, Rita. Can you say I love you?
I love.
Hey, turn around. Where's Mama? Turn around. Can you say Mink?
Me.
Good job.
Daddy.
Daddy. Don't draw on that. Can you say Grandma?
Table.
Can you say Grandma?
Mama bowl.
Yeah, you can't draw on the table. Good job. What does a horsey eat?
Oh.
That's what he says.
Cock.
Your foot stuck?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Oh, you're okay.
Cock.
It's not stuck anymore. Can you show Mama your nice smile? There it is.
Happy.
Happy smile. Are you happy?
Happy.
Okay. Daddy's coming, yep.